Hello everybody, it's Christine from REV Robotics Education Team here today to talk about a few of the mechanical builds found within the 2.0 update of the Intro to Robotics curriculum. The EDU Kit V2 includes over 180 parts and endless possibilities. But opening the kit for the first time can be overwhelming to figure out where to even begin. How do these parts go together? What is an extrusion or a bracket? Unit 1 includes a series of small builds to help ease students into using their kit and building their familiarity with handling mechanical components. These builds include a testbed for programming their actuators and one of my favorite builds, the EDU launcher. Taking a look at Unit 2, students build an assembly to observe gears in motion and practice calculating gear ratios. As the unit progresses, students will put what they've learned to the test by creating a motorized lift with a gear train of their design. This will carry weight up and down a mountainside. But of course, it wouldn't be a robotics course without building a full robot. Starting in Unit 3, students will build the ClassBot V2 drivetrain as a base to build upon through the remaining units. First up, they tackle TeleOp control using the gamepad and adding a mechanism of their own design to collect debris within a construction area. The same drivetrain will be used as students begin autonomous programming. Unit 4's robot navigates a restaurant helping to deliver food and drink. In Units 5 and 6, groups will continue to build on their ClassBot by first adding an arm and servo claw, then modifying it to meet the needs of the presented challenges. Unit 5 features a robot moving between different stations of a warehouse, while Unit 6 brings everything together as the robot aids in the recovery of a disaster-stricken area. Learn more about REV Robotics Intro to Robotics V2 curriculum by visiting revrobotics.com/curriculum and filling out our interest form to receive it completely free.